Hello and welcome to today's lesson. So it's all about scratching. So let's go to the Scratch website. Okay, so click on Chrome. That's the browser which is on your computer. You might be having a different browser. You might be using Edge, Opera, or Windows Explorer. So you just need to use the browser, then type the website on this tab. So we'll type www.scratch.mit.edu and enter. We are there at the Scratch website. It is a website. You can't download the program on your computer, so we can just use it when we are online, but there is an offline editor. If you'd like, you download it using Google. Okay, so we are going to use this website to do our scratching. So let's go to create. So we are creating a project. Now we are here on the Scratch web page for doing our project. Okay, so let's do something fun today. This is for beginner classes. Okay, so as you know, this is our programming palette, which has different colors for different blocks. Okay, so you can see sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables. So I'll click back to motion. So you have to ensure that you're on this code tab. Okay, so I want to choose a sprite. I don't want the pussycat. I want to choose another sprite. So I'll delete this one and go to choose sprite. You can see here, choose sprite. So I choose mine. So I want to choose a sprite which can dance. Okay, so I can see here, I'll click on dance. So those are the sprites which can dance. Okay, so once you click this one, I'm on, you can see Amina has dance moves. You can see the ballerina has the dance moves for the ballerina. You can see Chasey. So these are the dance moves they have. You can see Champ has some great moves. D Money. Let's see. Let's see. LB dance. So let me choose the champion. Okay, champ 99. There you go. I have my sprite. So it's a bit big. I can make it a bit small by changing the size. Here you can see size. So I'll change him to 260. Next is looking for a background. Okay, so I'll go to backdrops. Then I'll choose here, let's see, fantasy. I'll go to music. So these are the backgrounds for music. Okay, there's concert spotlights, so I can take concerts. Wow, so you can see my sprite is on a stage. Okay, I can move him here in the middle. So next thing we have to do is make him move. Okay, as we saw, he has many dance styles. Okay, so we are going to make him dance using change costume. Okay, so we'll go to looks. So we'll go to switch costume. Okay, then I'll go to control and say wait and pick on wait. 1 second. So I'll make this less than a second. So I'll put 0.5. Then I go back again to looks, switch costume. Then on this small arrow here, I'll click on this small arrow here, you can see. So he started with G. So I'll put F, okay? I'll put costume F. Then I'll go back again to control and click wait. So I'll do this repeatedly to create the dance moves. Again, I'll go back to looks, switch costume. Again, I'll go to another costume. I'll go to costume E. Okay, then again I'll go back to control, wait. So again go back to switch costume. So I can make him switch costume again to D. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks for costume, and I have weights. Okay, so next thing I have to do, these are 4 moves. So let me do another, go to control again and change here to 0.5 seconds. Then go to looks, switch costume. Then I'll switch costume to D. He has many moves, okay? So let me go back again to control, wait, then put 0.5 seconds, 0.5, then I go back to looks and switch costume again. I'll put costume number, it will be now B, yeah? We have G, F, E, D, D, B. So there's C. So let's put C. Let's go back again to control. I hope you're getting the rhythm of coding. You have to go to weights. So change here to 0.5 and go back to looks again and switch costume. Then I'll pick on B. So our champ has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 moves. So I'll still 1 more move. I'll go to weights. So weight allows, you'll see what happens. So let's go back to looks and switch costume. Then I'll put the first costume, which is A. Now I've finished doing the moves. So next is putting the music, okay? Sound, putting the music. So we'll go to sound, play sound. So we can look for add music. Let's see this one, play sound. We put until done. So we'll say play sound until done. We can put it below here. So let's see this one. So then next I'll go to events and click when flagged. When flagged. So the flag is here. So let me now try and see what I've been doing. So I'll flag. I can't. There's something I have not done yet. I didn't see him moving. So there's something wrong with my code. So 0.5. Let's see again how many moves he did. So the music and the dance is not going together. So I'll change where the music is and put it here on top. Okay, then flag. So let me stop. I can see that my music is not going together with the dance. So let me first see without the music and I flag. So you can see the dancer is dancing, has 8 moves. Okay, so we can go to repeats. So we'll go to control and put forever. Pick the forever. Then now I'll put my music. Let me put my music. Sounds. So start sound, play sound, dance celebrates. So I'll start sound. Let me put that there. Then first separate the coding, take the forever, control bar, then I put my coding there. So you can see when flagged I've put forever, then the coding for the dance. So I've put that he dances through. So let me flag. Aha! You can see we have managed to create a dance project. So for the full screen, we'll come here. You can see these tools here. So I'll use full screen control so that I have full screen on my screen. Then I now flag. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and keep learning, keep practicing. For more lessons, keep following me on my channel. Let's go back using this tool. We go back to see the coding for, let me zoom in here so you can see the blocks for making a Sprite dance, for a dance project. Okay, you can see the coding I did. I use switch costume and weights, switch costume and weight only. Then I put the sound. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that lesson. I will go to file and save now. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please try and do this coding, okay? And enjoy while you're at home. Continue learning and keep watching my channel and see what's new on my channel. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.